speak here, as you correctly said, Chairperson, as the President of the Republic. However, just a small comment, and the Chief Justice has already closed his ears. How I wish the mistake you made in saying these were the 29 election results was true. Now I put on my other hat, which is this one, State President. That Mwepa, you said, instead of saying distinguished, you said extinguished. Hi, Linda, I'm not yet extinguished. But the one that I truly, truly loved, and I'd never thought I would hear the IEC talking about love. You also mentioned love. Many of us truly want love tonight. Thank you very much to all of you. The final announcement of the 2024 national and provincial election results today in many ways represents a victory for our democracy as South Africans. It also represents a victory of our constitutional order, but more importantly, it represents a victory for all the people of South Africa.